Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. So in the previous lecture we have seen the two formulas, that is the formulas for the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. Okay, also we have solved the solved examples given on page number 70. Okay, now today we are going to start our problem set 49. Okay, so let's see question number 1. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? Okay, so see what they have given in the question, that if we have to make the rectangle of a wire, okay, of length, the length of rectangle should be 7 centimeter and breadth should be 4 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find out the length of the wire. Okay, so for that we have to find the perimeter. Okay, so I have given you length of a rectangle 7 centimeters and breadth of a rectangle as 4 centimeters. So we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, this is your formula for finding perimeter. So that is 2 into length 7 plus 2 into breadth 4, 14 plus 8, 22 centimeters. So we got the perimeter of 22 centimeters. So what they have asked in the question, how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle? Okay, so therefore we will need a wire of 22 centimeter. Okay, understood? Next, if the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? Okay, they have given you length of a rectangle (20 meters) and width means breadth . 12 meters. We have to find its perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth . 2 into length 20 plus 2 into breadth 12, 40 plus 24, that is 64 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of a rectangle is 64 centimeter. Okay, next one. Question number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Okay, they have given you side of a square meter. Sorry, side of a square 9 meter. We have to find its perimeter. Okay. So you all know that sides, all the sides of a square are of equal length. Okay. So means here if one side is 9 meter, then all sides of square are 9 meter. So perimeter of a square. What is the formula? 4 into one side of a square. So 4 into one side, 9, 36 meters. Therefore, perimeter of a square is 36 meter. Okay. Next, 4. See, if we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meters wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? See what they have given. The field of length 160 meter. See, 160 meter long and 90 meter wide means the length of the field is 160 meters and the breadth is 90 meter. Okay, so by this we can come to know that it is a rectangular field. Why? Because they have given you the length and breadth. Okay, rectangle is having length and breadth. So it is a rectangular field. So first we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangular field. Length of a rectangular field 160 meters and the breadth of the same is 90 meter. So first we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That is 2 into length 160 plus 2 into breadth 90. 320 plus 180. You will get 500 meters. So 500 meter is the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay. Now what they have given, what they have asked, if we take 4 rounds around a field of 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, then what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Now we got the perimeter as 500 meters and they have given if we walk 4 rounds around a distance, around a field. Okay, then we have to find out the distance walked in kilometers. So we got perimeter 500 meters. So 500 into 4 rounds around that 500 meter of perimeter of field. So 500 into 4, 2000 meters. But they have asked you the distance in kilometers, the distance walked in kilometers. Okay, so therefore distance walked around field in kilometers is, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So therefore 2000 meters is how much kilometer? 2 kilometers. Okay, so your answer is 2 kilometers. Distance walked around the field in kilometers is 2 kilometers. Okay. First we have to find out the perimeter, then you have to multiply that perimeter by the number of rounds walked. Okay, around the field, that is 4. So 500 into 4, 2000 meters. Therefore distance walked in kilometers, you have to convert it into kilometers. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometers. Therefore 2000 meters is equal to 2 kilometers. Okay. Next, last one. Fifth, Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meters, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. Okay. They have given you, if one side of a park is 120 meter, so the park is of square shape. That is why they have given you the length of one side of the square park. So side of a square park is 120 meters. Okay, we have to first find out the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square park. 4 into side of a square. Into 120, 480 meters is the perimeter of the square park. Okay, now around the square park of 480 meters, Sanju walks 12 rounds. Okay, okay. So we have to find out the distance walked in kilometers and meters. So first, Sanju walks 12 rounds around square park. Therefore, 480 into 12 rounds. So we got the answer 5760 meters. Okay, now we have to convert it into kilometers. We have to convert it into kilometers and meters. So, therefore, distance walked by Sanju is, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we have to take this 760 as meters and 5 as kilometers. So 5 kilometer 760 meters. Distance walked by Sanju around Square Park is 5 kilometers 760 meters. Okay. So I hope you all have understood. Okay, so we will stop here. In the next lecture, we will continue with question number 6. Your today's homework, you have to practice this 5 sums again into your maths notebook. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.